Hi everyone.
Hope you all are good. We are here for grade 2 math. You can find out the lesson on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password is provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 2 math and then click on view all lessons. There you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter time. The lessons we're going to cover today are AM or PM. Compare clocks, elapsed time, days of the week, and months of the year. Okay, here I'm on grade 2 math. The chapter we are on right now is time. Let's just start with the lesson that is AM or P. So AM is the morning time, right? And any time after 12, like after afternoon, right? Afternoon it is PM, right? So Cantalina went to the fireworks at night. What time was it? Because she is going in the night. Then that means PM it is, right? Anytime in the evening or night is PM, anytime in the afternoon is PM, and anytime in the morning is AM. Let's just start with the test questions. Allen family is going for a bike ride in the afternoon. What time it is? So which is the correct option? Afternoon it is, right? 3 p.m. it is, right? Afternoon it is PM. Courtney is going to go out at a party tonight. What time is it? 10 a.m., 10 p.m., which is the correct option? That is 10 p.m., right? Because the party is tonight, so that is 10 p.m. Frank does not wake up liking waking up in the morning. Frank does not like waking up in the morning. What time does he not like to wake up? Because he don't like to wake up in the morning, right? That means he don't want to wake up in at 6 a.m., right? Morning time is AM. So Nana likes shopping in the evening. What time does she shop? She's shopping in the evening, right? Then that must be 7 p.m. The correct option is 7 p.m. Yes, you go to school in the morning, right? Then that means 6 a.m. It is option number one is the correct option. Cantalina went to the fireworks at night. What time was it? Night, right? Then that means 9 p.m. it is. Mars was working on his computer at night. What time was it? So which is the correct option? Night it is, right? Yes, that means 10 p.m. it is because he's working in the night. Mila likes to go out with her parents for dinner. What time will she eat? So which is the correct option? Yes, she's going for the dinner, right? So you always go dinner in the evening. That is 6 p.m. The correct option is 6 p.m. Zad will play basketball with his friend in the morning. What time will he play? In the morning, right? Then that means 9 a.m. it is. The correct option is 9 a.m. Zad, Mila, Kathleen, and Iman do their homeworks after they come home from school. What time they do their homework? AM or PM? After coming from school, right? Then that means 4 p.m. it is. That's the afternoon time. So that is 4 p.m. Okay, we are done with the lesson. Let's just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is compare clocks. Let's just start with the lesson. Let's see how do we compare the clocks. Okay, the clock shows two things Tammy did yesterday at lunch. At 3, he did a puzzle, and at 5, he went shopping. What time do first? What time did Tammy do first? So you have 3 and 5, right? 3 comes before 5. That means the puzzle, that means Tammy did the puzzle first, right? Let's just start with the test questions. Okay, the clock shows when some friends got home from school Monday afternoon. Who got home from school first? Karen at 5 and Rachel at 4. So, which is the correct option? When we are counting, right, we have 4 first, then 5. 4 comes first, right? That means Rachel got home first, right? The correct option is Rachel. Option number 2 is the correct option. The clock shows 3 things Shank did Sunday morning. At 10, he walked the dog. At 11, he got dressed, and at 8 he watched the TV. Which did Cheng do latest? So you have 8, 10, and 11, right? If you go like this, first 8, then 10, and then 11, that means the latest he did is walk the dog. That is the one he did at the, sorry, got dressed. That is one he did at the end. So the latest would be got dressed. The correct option is got dressed. Which clock shows three things Jake did Thursday evening? Talked on the phone at 10, 7, 8 dinner, and 8 watched the TV. What did Jack do earliest? You have 7, 8, and 10, right? So earliest he did 8 dinner. First he ate dinner, then watched TV, and then talked on the phone. So that is 8 dinner. The clock showed two things Frank did Friday morning. What did clock Frank do second? At 8 he fed the dog, and at 10 he packed a lunch. So which is the correct option? First he did First he fed the cat. Then he packed a lunch. So option number 2 is the correct option. That's one he did second. How the clock shows when some friends watched a TV show Sunday evening. Who watched the TV latest? So which is the correct option? At 9, Dan watched the TV. At 10, Frank. At Alan watched TV at 8. So who watched the TV latest? The last one is at 10 and Frank did. The correct option is Frank. Option number 2 is the correct option. What the clock shows the two things Pablo did yesterday evening. What did Pablo do first? Practiced piano or watched a TV? That is, first he did practiced piano. The correct option is option number 1. The clock shows three things Yang did Saturday evening. Who did Ying what which did Ying do last? So which is the correct option? At 10 he ate dinner. You can see here, right? At 7 he took a shower she took a shower, and at 9 she went for a walk. So the one she did last is the one 10. So that means at 10 he ate the dinner. The correct option is option number 1. The clock shows two things Megan did Monday afternoon: watch the movie and go to the mall. Which did Megan did first? So which is the Megan do first? Which is the correct option? Yes, he watched the movie first. The correct option is watched the movie because two comes first, right? When counting, you have two first and then four. So that means he watched the movie first and then go to the mall. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. And the next lesson is elapsed time. Let's just start with the next lesson. Elapsed time. Okay, Lara decided to take a poetry class. The class started at 7 o'clock in the evening and lasted until 10 o'clock in the evening. How long was the class? You have to see the duration of the class, right? The class started at 7 o'clock and the end time is 10, right? You need to count the hours from 7 to 10. That is 8, 9, 10. So 3 hours. That means the elapsed time is 3 hours. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself. Let's just start with the test questions. Ali went sailing with her parents. They got onto the boat at 10 o'clock in the morning. The moon returned to the shore at noon. How long were Ali and her parents on the boat? So, which is the correct option? They came back at noon. Noon means exactly 12, right? So they started at 10 and they ended at the start time you are given is 10 o'clock, right? And they both returned to shore at noon. At noon means you have exactly two. So how long were Ali and her parents on the boat? The correct option is option number one, that is 2 hours and 0 minutes. So option number one is the correct option. Option number one is the correct option. Dave was going on a big trip. He arrived at the airport at 9 a.m. and got onto the plane at 10 a.m. How long was Dave at the airport? So which is the correct option? He arrived at the airport, right? The start time is 9 a.m. and the plane takeoff is like the end time is 10 a.m. You need to find how long was Dave at the airport. You need to calculate the time. So 9 to 10, you have only 1 hour. That means he was at the airport for only 1 hour. The correct option is option number 1, 9, and 1, 10, 1 hour and 0 minute. Option number 2 is the correct option. Jackie started working on her science fair project at noon. She didn't stop working on it until 9 o'clock in the evening. How long did Jackie work on her science project? So he started at noon, right? Noon means that start time is 10 a.m. It She didn't stop working on it until 9 o'clock, right? So that means the total time from 10 to 9 is 9 hours and 0 minutes. The correct option is option number 2. 9 hours it is from 10 to 9. 9 it is simply. It was 8 a.m. when Kindy began mowing the lawn and finished at 9 a.m. How long did it take Kindy to mow the lawn? So which is the correct option? So from 8 to 9 only 1 hour. The correct option is 1 hour and 0 minute. Option number one is the correct option. Jennifer and Clayton went to a carnival. So he started at the carnival. Jennifer and Clayton went to a carnival. They got to the carnival at 2 o'clock in the afternoon and did not leave until 10 in the evening. How long did Jennifer and Clayton stay at the carnival? So the start time is 2 and the end time is 10. So which is the correct option? That is 8 hours and 0 minutes, right? From 2 o'clock till 10 o'clock. The correct option is 8 hours and 0 minutes. Got it? The correct option is 8 hours and 0 minutes. It started raining at 6 a.m. and did not stop until 12. How long did it rain? So, which is the correct option? That is E. Yes, that is 6 hours 0 minute, right? Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let's just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is days of the week. Let's just start with the lesson. So we have 7 days in the week. If you still don't know the names, they are very, very easy. That is the weekend. The week starts with Monday, then you have Tuesday, then you have Wednesday, then you have Thursday, Friday, and again Saturday it is, right? Which day comes after Saturday? So which is the correct option? That is after Sunday. Saturday it is Sunday, right? Sunday comes after Saturday. Let's just start with the test questions. Which day comes after Saturday? So which is the correct option? After Saturday, Sunday it is. The correct option is Sunday. Which day comes after Wednesday? So which is the correct option? Yes, after Wednesday it is Thursday. So the correct option is Thursday. Option number one is the correct option. After Sunday it is yes, Monday it is. The correct option is Monday. Which day comes after Monday? Which is the correct option? Yes, Tuesday it is after Monday, that is Tuesday. Which day comes after Wednesday? So, which is the correct option? After Wednesday, it is. After Wednesday, it is Thursday. The correct option is Thursday. Which day comes after Friday? So, which is the correct option? After Friday, it is Saturday. The correct option is Saturday. It is. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is, I think, months of the year. So we have 12 months in the year. If you still don't remember them, they are January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December, right? You need to keep the names in your mind. So, which month comes just after April? Sorry, just before April. So, just before April, it is. Okay, let's just start with the test questions. Which month comes just before May? So, which is the correct option? Just before May, that is April. The correct option is April. Which month comes just after November? So, which is the correct option? After November, it is the last month of the year, December, it is, right? Which month comes just before April? So, which is the correct option? Before April, it is March. The correct option is March. Be very careful when reading the questions, right? Which month comes right after June? So, which is the correct option? After June, it is July. The correct option is July. Which is the sixth month of the year? So, which is the correct option? That is June. But I can hear myself. Everything is fine at my side. You can just check your side. Which month comes right after January? So, which is the correct option? Yes, after January it is. Very good. February it is. That's the second month of the year, February. Which month comes just before September? So, which is the correct option? Just before September it is August. Option number one is the correct option. Which is the second month of the year? So, which is the correct option? Which is the second month of the year? February. It is the correct option is February. The last option is the correct option. Which is the first month of the year? So, which is the correct option? January. It is right. The year starts with January, right? Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself here today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is that is seasons. Let's just start with the lesson. So here is the cycle. You have to keep this cycle in your mind. It is you start with winter. After the winter you have spring, then you have summer, and then you have fall, right? After fall you have again winter. So cycle goes on, right? So winter, spring, summer, and fall. You need to keep this table in your mind because all the questions are related to this table. So that is winter, spring, summer, and fall. Okay, let's just start with the test questions. Which season comes just before spring? So, which is the correct option? Which month season comes just after spring? After spring, it is winter. The correct option is winter. What season comes right before summer? So, which is the correct option? Right before summer, fall. It is the correct option is spring. No, I think spring.
What season comes right after winter?
The correct option is after the winter it is spring. The correct option is spring. What season comes just before fall? Before fall it is winter. The correct option is winter. Oh, summer it is. Sorry, summer. Summer it is. What season comes just before summer? So, which is the correct option? Just before summer, that is spring. The correct option is spring. What season comes right before winter? So, which is the correct option? Option number three is the correct option. Winter it is. Oh, fall it is. Sorry. What season comes just before fall? Just before fall it is summer. The correct option is summer. Option number one is the correct option. What season comes right before winter? So, which is the correct option? Right before winter, fall it is. Option number one is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. So, we were working on grade 2 math. The chapter we were working on is time, and the lessons we have covered today are they are AM or PM, compare clocks, elapsed time, days of the week, months of the week, and seasons. So please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons we just did. That is your homework, right? And if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can simply click on the live chat button. Tutors are available there to help you. Or either you can write down the question in the chat box. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can simply write down the questions in the chat box. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. So any questions you can please ask. Any questions please ask. Oh, no questions. Elizabeth, what's wrong with you? You guys are here to learn, so please focus on the learning. Okay, then that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye, everyone.